further. There we go, I've got 2 cows left and I just finished a load of buckets off. So while I've been milking, they got the last of the maize in off that field, and he's finished rolling the clamp, so I just finished milking these guys and I'll get back and have a look at the clamp. Well, here we are, finished. And a nice full clamp. This year is definitely more crop, because some years we've had it right back. We've been able to park the cattle box in here, space in the front, but this year there won't be any parking or anything in here. And like I said, it's a bit greener because we didn't really have a proper summer this year and a bit of a late spring, but I can't wring anything out of it, which is good. If it rains sometimes you can wring water out of it, but yeah, all looking good. So let's have a run up, shall we? Ooh, up we go onto the top. You can see the tractor tyre marks in the maize where he squished it down. And what I like is a good even height all the way over, so not too bumpy and uneven. So we've just got to get the sheet on here now, and I'll probably do that tomorrow morning because I think I've had enough tonight. I've been here since 6 o'clock this morning. The dry cows next door. Alright girls, they look alright. They're just waiting in there to calve, basically. Anyway, we'll have a look at it when I've got the sheet on.